If you choose the wrong crypto exchange, you don't just miss opportunities. You quietly lose money without even realizing it. In this video, I'm not going to hype any platform. I will show you exactly who should use MEXC, who should use KuCoin, and who should honestly avoid both. By the end of this video, you will know which exchange fits your trading style, how to reduce your fees using referral codes, and how to avoid the most common mistake traders make when comparing MEXC versus KuCoin. The short answer first. Let me give you the short answer up front. MEXC and KuCoin are not built for the same type of trader. If you try to use one exchange for everything, you will end up paying more fees, entering trades too late, or using tools you don't actually need. MEXC is usually stronger for traders who want early access to new coins and lower friction when entering altcoin trades. KuCoin is usually stronger for traders who focus on futures, structured tools, and a more developed ecosystem. But there are important exceptions, and those exceptions are where most people lose money, so stay with me. Who this video is for? This video is for you if you already understand basic crypto trading, you have used at least one centralized exchange before, and you are now looking for a second exchange that actually gives you an advantage. You might be trading with a small or medium account, you might be trading part-time, and you care about fees, listings, and execution speed more than fancy marketing. If you're looking for one clear decision instead of watching 10 confusing reviews, this video is for you. The real problem with most comparisons, most MEXC versus KuCoin comparisons fail because they only list features. They talk about leverage numbers, coin counts, or interface design, but they never answer the real question. The real question is not which exchange is better. The real question is which exchange makes more sense for how you personally trade. If you choose based on the wrong criteria, you can still lose even on a good platform. Fees and why they matter more than you think. Fees are the silent killer of trader accounts. Many traders focus only on winning trades and ignore how much they pay in maker fees, taker fees, and funding rates. Over time, these costs add up and can erase a large part of your profits. This is where referral codes actually matter if you use them correctly. On MEXC, you can use the referral code MEXC20 cashback to get a 20% fee rebate. On KuCoin, you can use the referral code cashback50 to get up to 35% fee rebates on futures and spot trading depending on the program conditions. This does not change how you trade, but it directly improves your long-term results. Why new coin listings change everything? If your strategy involves catching momentum early, then coin listings matter more than almost any other feature. Entering a coin even a few hours earlier can completely change your risk to reward. MEXC is known for listing a large number of new and emerging tokens quickly, which gives aggressive traders more opportunities. KuCoin also lists new projects, but it often focuses more on coins that already have some traction. This difference alone can determine whether an exchange works for you or against you. The biggest mistake traders make is assuming they need one perfect exchange. In reality, the smartest traders use exchanges based on purpose. They don't marry a platform, they use tools. If you force yourself to use KuCoin for early altcoin hunting, or you force yourself to use MEXC for complex futures workflows, you are creating unnecessary friction. This video is about removing that friction. Futures trading and leverage reality. When it comes to futures trading, this is where many traders switch platforms or feel disappointed after signing up. Futures trading is not just about leverage numbers, it is about execution, stability, funding behavior, and available tools. KuCoin generally provides a more structured futures environment with additional trading tools that appeal to traders who open positions frequently and manage risk actively. MEXC, on the other hand, often attracts traders who want fast access to futures on newer or more volatile coins, sometimes with higher leverage options. The key difference is intention. If you are trading futures occasionally or opportunistically, MEXC can be sufficient. If futures trading is your main activity and you rely on consistency, KuCoin usually feels more complete. Funding rates and hidden costs. One reason traders feel like their futures profits disappear is funding. Funding rates are not fixed, and they can quietly drain your account if you hold positions for too long. This is not something most reviews talk about clearly. On both exchanges, funding rates depend on market conditions. But how often you trade and how long you hold positions determines which platform feels more expensive for you. This is another reason why fee rebates from referral codes matter. Reducing trading fees gives you more room to survive normal funding fluctuations without constantly feeling pressure to overtrade. Security, trust, and risk awareness. No centralized exchange is risk-free. The real question is how much risk you are comfortable with. KuCoin has built a large global user base and a wide ecosystem, but it has also been under strong regulatory attention in the past, which makes some traders cautious about holding large balances for long periods. MEXC is often perceived as more aggressive and fast-moving, which attracts opportunity-driven traders, but also requires you to be more disciplined about fund management. The smart approach is not blind trust. It is using exchanges as execution tools, not long-term banks. Here is the simplest way to decide. If your main goal is to catch early altcoin moves, trade new listings, and move quickly in and out of positions, MEXC will usually fit you better. If your main goal is to trade futures consistently, manage positions actively, and use a broader set of trading tools, KuCoin will usually fit you better. If you try to force one exchange to do everything, you will eventually feel frustrated. Choosing correctly is about alignment, not loyalty. If you are going to open an account anyway, not using a referral code is simply leaving money on the table. For MEXC, using the referral code MEXC-20 CASHBACK gives you a 20% rebate on trading fees. For KuCoin, using the referral code Cashback50 can give you up to 35% rebates on futures and spot trading based on the program conditions. These rebates do not change your strategy, but they improve your results over time, especially if you trade frequently. The registration links and codes are placed directly below this video. MEXC versus KuCoin is not about which exchange is better. It is about which exchange matches how you trade. MEXC rewards speed, early entries, and aggressive opportunity hunting. KuCoin rewards structure, consistency, and futures-focused traders. When you choose based on your actual behavior instead of marketing claims, the decision becomes very clear. If you already know which type of trader you are, use the links in the description to register with the correct exchange and activate the fee rebates. Use MEXC-20 CASHBACK for MEXC to get a 20% fee rebate, or use Cashback50 for KuCoin to get up to 35% fee rebates on futures and spot trading. Subscribe to the channel if you want more honest comparisons without hype, and check the pinned comment for a quick checklist to make sure you choose the right platform for your trading style.